Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another episode on our YouTube channel RescoliByCarlo. First off, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd like to have many of you following us, which you already do in thousands. Thank you very much for your support. And now today we're starting a limited series called inspirational videos. They are similar to show and tell, but we are showing our creative parts in all that we do. So today is going to be a discussion about this. So this is a luggage. It is an old luggage. I think it was 60s or 70s, and we decided to make an updo. What did we do first? First, we added some legs, and these are its new legs. So now from a luggage, it is mainly a side table, a coffee table, or even a bedside table if you wish to do so. So what we did, we used some colors, a lot of blending. The main color here was this blue here, which is from the Forget Me Never Alfresco limited edition colors. And then we started blending, and the blending was made up of 4 colors. Mainly we had the Anguilla, and we did some drop effects on the sides and even below, as you can see over here. Afterwards we meshed some stone rosy, some pickle, and also some other shades that you can see over here, just to create this olden effect. Afterwards, when everything was dry, we started doing image transfers here. We did some image transfers here and also on the side, and not on the front. And we added also some stenciling, which you can see on the front over here. That's stenciling with some words just to go with the tone of the luggage we wanted to do, and also included some stenciling here where there is the word mail, which basically actually is post, not mail, which would have included the idea of it being a luggage. And then when we did some pickle on the sides, and then we used some Frenchic gorgeous gold to go on the details. Here, for example, here, just look at the effect. That's it. Okay, so basically this is the luggage. And afterwards, when we finished, we did the leg like this with some gold or gold brushing. And then afterwards we did a lot of browning wax, so that it would give it that olden look. And mainly this is the luggage, just an idea on how to use a luggage in your home. Probably you have a luggage at home that you don't use anymore and you have doubts on what to do with it. This is just one idea of many that we can come out by using recycled material. Thank you very much for following us. See you next time. Thank you also for your subscriptions. We really appreciate a lot having lots of you following us. See you next time. Tata.